Hi, boys and girls. I am so excited to see you this Monday morning. And today, what you are going to be doing is you are going to be taking a map testing. And so, what that is you are going to be testing yourself on reading today. You are going to be answering some questions. Mom and Dad are going to help you log on. Now, you may not know all the answers, and that is okay. What you are trying to do is you are trying to show me what you know. So if you don't know all the answers, don't get upset. It's not that big of a deal. You're going to log on. You're going to do the best that you can. All right? And I will see you tomorrow morning for our Zoom. And I can't wait to see you all. But I do have somebody who wants to tell you good luck. So this is Shorty. He is my rat terrier, and he says, "Good luck, everybody." Right? Oh, do you want to see my other one? Here, Grace. Here, Gracie. Here, Gracie. Oh, this is my old girl. And she says, "Good luck, everybody. Do your best." All right? So I will see you all tomorrow, and I hope you all have a great, great day. Talk to you later. Bye.